Welcome students and friends. In this video I'm going to talk about expressions with a coefficient. So expressions called algebraic expressions with a coefficient look something like this. You have a constant at the back, and then at the front you have a variable, something like 5x or 7x or something like negative 5x or negative 7x or something like a times x or something like 9 times y. So let's look at one example right now. So to demonstrate how to plug a value, so let's see. So let's say we have 5x, and let's create a table. So the variable is x, so variable is x, and then the coefficient is 5. So let's plug in 0, 1, and negative 1. So 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 1 is 5, then 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Let's do one more, something like negative 5 times y. So okay, so the variable it's y, and the coefficient is negative 5. So let's create the little table. Okay, so variable is y, and then what we're outputting is going to be negative 5y. So let's do something like 0, 1, and 2. Let's do also negative 1. Okay, so negative 5 times 0 is 0, negative 5 times 1 is negative 5, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10, and negative 5 times negative 1, that's 5. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.